Championing desalination, water warriors. Championing desalination, water warriors. In an era marked by rapid population growth, urbanization, and climate change, the quest for a sustainable water supply has become one of the most critical challenges humanity faces. One technology that has emerged as a potential savior in this battle for water security is desalination, and the advocates of this technology are rightly being hailed as water warriors. The water scarcity conundrum. Water scarcity is a complex and multifaceted issue that affects not only arid regions, but also areas that have traditionally enjoyed abundant freshwater resources. As traditional water sources become overdrawn and contaminated, there is an urgent need to explore alternative methods of sourcing freshwater. Desalination, a ray of hope. Enter desalination, a process that removes salt and other impurities from seawater, making it suitable for drinking and irrigation. While the concept of desalination is not new, advancements in technology have made it more efficient and cost-effective than ever before. Desalination plants now dot coastlines across the globe, producing millions of gallons of fresh water each day. This technology has the potential to alleviate water scarcity in many parts of the world, offering a reliable and renewable source of fresh water. The Water Warriors Vision. Water warriors are individuals, communities, scientists, engineers, and policymakers who champion the cause of desalination as a viable solution to the water scarcity crisis. They see beyond the initial challenges and focus on the long-term benefits that desalination can bring. Technological innovations. One of the primary concerns historically associated with desalination is its energy intensity and potential environmental impacts. However, water warriors are leading the charge in developing innovative solutions to address these challenges. New desalination technologies, such as reverse osmosis and forward osmosis, are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Additionally, renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are being integrated into desalination plants, reducing their carbon footprint. Environmental consciousness. Water warriors recognize that while desalination can provide a lifeline in water-scarce regions, it must be approached with environmental responsibility. Improper disposal of brine, a byproduct of desalination, can harm marine ecosystems. Therefore, these advocates push for sustainable practices, such as using the brine for salt production or carefully discharging it in ways that minimize ecological damage. By prioritizing environmental considerations, water warriors ensure that the solution to one crisis does not create another. Global collaborations. Water scarcity knows no boundaries, and water warriors understand that tackling this issue requires a collaborative effort on a global scale. They work together to share knowledge, best practices, and technological advancements. International partnerships allow regions with expertise in desalination to assist those facing acute water scarcity. By fostering collaboration, water warriors ensure that no community is left behind in the quest for water security. Changing perceptions. In many societies, the idea of drinking desalinated water was met with skepticism, often due to concerns about taste and quality. However, water warriors are changing these perceptions through education and awareness campaigns. They showcase the rigorous purification processes that desalinated water undergoes, ensuring that it meets or exceeds established drinking water standards. By disseminating accurate information, Water warriors help communities embrace this new source of fresh water with confidence. Economic viability. While desalination has made significant strides in terms of efficiency and sustainability, cost remains a critical factor. Water warriors recognize that for desalination to be a truly accessible solution, it must be economically viable. They advocate for continued research and innovation to drive down the costs associated with desalination, making it more affordable for regions facing economic challenges. Through their efforts, water warriors are striving to bridge the gap between technology and affordability. Resilience in the face of uncertainty. Climate change brings with it unpredictable shifts in weather patterns, leading to increased frequency and intensity of droughts. Water warriors view desalination as a tool to build resilience in the face of such uncertainty. By diversifying water sources and reducing reliance on traditional freshwater reservoirs, communities can become better prepared to weather the impacts of climate change. Challenges and the road ahead. Despite the promise of desalination, there are still challenges to overcome. The energy requirements of desalination remain a concern, as does the potential impact of brine discharge on marine ecosystems. Furthermore, desalination plants are capital-intensive to build and maintain, making them less feasible for economically disadvantaged regions. To address these challenges, ongoing research is essential. Water warriors advocate for continued investment in research and development to improve desalination technologies and address its drawbacks. This includes exploring innovative methods of brine disposal, optimizing energy efficiency, and developing decentralized desalination solutions that can serve small communities. Conclusion. Water warriors stand on the front lines of a global battle against water scarcity. Their dedication to championing desalination as a solution reflects their commitment to securing the basic human right of access to clean and safe water. As we navigate an increasingly water-stressed world, the efforts of these water warriors offer hope and inspiration for a sustainable future. Sustainable desalination, balancing progress and responsibility. While the potential of desalination to address water scarcity is undeniable, it is crucial to strike a balance between progress and responsibility. As desalination gains traction as a solution, the following principles must guide the efforts of water warriors and policymakers. 1. Environmental stewardship. Water warriors must continue to emphasize environmental stewardship throughout the desalination process.